Welcome to the bonus week. This week I will show you how to run YouTube ads. Because running YouTube ads requires that you set up an account and understand the dashboard before being able to promote your video, I dedicated a separate week to show you just how to do that. This bonus week is very special because it's taken directly from my high-ticket, easy YouTube Ads Academy, where I teach my students and clients how to run ads to sell their products and services, basically teaching them directly how to make money.
I was able to start running ads on my YouTube page, and I had much better results than I ever had when I did it on my own.
I noticed a huge spike in traffic, which was amazing. I got traffic to my website, and I started getting a lot more sales.
June is gonna make sure that you do not waste any money in the process.
So if you want more website traffic, more leads, and more sales for your business, please check out my Easy YouTube Ads course. It will show you just how to create effective ads that will make people click and convert. For the rest of you who are only interested in growing your channel right now, you are in the right place. This week, I will show you how to set up your Google Ads account, how to link your YouTube channel to it, and give you a quick dashboard tour so that you become familiar with the ads platform. Then, we will create a simple ad campaign to promote one of your videos on your channel. If you have never run ads before, don't worry, I totally understand what you are going through. That's why I will make this process super easy and simple for you. I will not waste time showing you things that don't matter, but show you exactly what you need to do so that you can collect views and subscribers on autopilot while you sleep. You already know how to drive fast traffic to your video with Facebook ads. You already know how to drive slow traffic by getting backlinks from Fiverr. Now, I'm going to show you how to drive medium traffic to your videos and your channel with YouTube ads. Medium traffic that will maintain constant eyeballs on your videos so that you grow while you sleep. Hope you are as excited about this opportunity as I am when I first learned it. It's going to be a new adventure that we are going on. Alright, enough talking and more doing. I will see you in the next episode. It's going to be fun.